Alright, so in this video I'm going to take a quick peek on a particular bash built-in called hash. Is basically generate a hash table, okay, automatically. In other words, if this mechanism is activated, or by default it is activated, what it does, it basically read out the commands or bash shell related stuff from the memory. Instead of searching the path again and again and again, it stores the stuff in memory and read it out from there. So it's pretty quick, and it has got a capability. You can discard all the location, you can enter all the location. That means if your binary resides out of your path, okay, somewhere else in the system, you can easily refer, and this will create a hash table entry essentially in the memory to fetch it out. Okay, so to give you a demonstration, let me spawn up a terminal. Okay, so I believe I have zoomed in up so people can see. So if I write hash, see, these are the command which is generated by the shell. So it provides me the hits, and hit means how many times it has been invoked, and the command path. Okay, so now if I say iostat, and if I run again hash, it will show me the path of it. Okay, so now if I write help, you can see there is 5 flags. -d means you can forget the option, say hash -d iostat. If I do, see, it simply forget the location of iostat. If I do it again, and now if I hash, see, it remember it's okay where to get it from. I'm hoping you are getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, the L is to just to display it by default. It's showing these are all built in. Okay, so as you see, -p will show the path name. That's what it does. These are the command I ran. It is coming out of the hash table, which is created automatically by the hash. Is a bash built in. It creates a hash table automatically on the fly. Okay, so you can remember all the, so hash -r. Now if I do hash, it does, it's you can see on the bottom of the screen it says it's an empty hash table, so you forgot everything. Okay, now if I run, I'll start again, and if I do hash, see, it brings back. I ran 2 commands, clear and iostat, it again enlisting it. Okay, so -r with the hash option. Okay, so it will remove all the remembered path location of a specific binary from the memory. Okay, this is super helpful. You can use it inside the script to find out the location of binary. And what else? You just say hash -t slap top. Okay, it says it not found. Okay, so I'm going with the iostat. If we give -t option, it will provide you the path of that binary. Okay, so now you can, it's basically, as I mentioned very beginning of the video, it fetch out the stuff from the memory. It create a hash table on the fly, so it basically didn't consult the path variable. Okay, so everyone has a path variable. see, this is the path I am having, which is quite a lot. So so basically every time you run a command, it will search through the path where whatever the destination mentioned there in the path variable, it search it out, and it's lightningly fast. But when bash use hash table, so it keeps it on the memory. So it'll instead of searching all the path, it'll fetch it out from the memory, so the operation will be easier. And it remember, as you can see, you can forget all this stuff. You can add this operation, could be done in several other through alias, okay, through which, and there are various way of doing. This is one of the common thing. I thought to bring it up to people's attention, if and only if people don't know about it. So they'll come to know this is this utility you can use inside script too. You can add a specific path of a particular binary which might not reside in the path related variable. So it next time if you run it, it will keep a copy of it in the hash table, okay, and fetch it out and use it for you, so it will be easier. So let me try I will enlist a lot of stuff, okay, as expected. So you can see it from here. Let me highlight, see. So it clearly says the option, it's just a one stanza, and it explain everything. If you go through the bash man page, I'm sure time to time you hop into this man page and try to find out what is offered by this bash shell. So this is one of the built-in utility bash is having, which can be used internally automatically by creating hash table. It could be used in the script, okay. So I thought this is a nifty utility, so people should use it if they are aware of it. That's why I'm making this video. I hope it will be useful for some people, okay. Thanks for watching.